HDR is a global employee-owned firm that operates in the architecture, engineering, and construction markets, providing services for large and complex projects for our clients. Every 5 years at HDR, we revisit a strategic plan. And part of that process, we identified some key initiatives to help grow the company and to add value for our clients. We realized that we wanted to evaluate our capabilities in the BIM spectrum, and we engaged with Autodesk Consulting to bring them in for a BIM assessment study of HDR's different market sectors, things around transportation, water, natural resources. And Autodesk Consulting offered the breadth and the depth of expertise to evaluate and also to establish our roadmap for the future as we contemplate on how we take it up a notch for our clients. One of the biggest strengths of engaging with Autodesk Consulting is they were able to bring in some of that industry knowledge. One of the things that our management team wanted to know the most was, how does HDR stack up in the industry in the different market sectors, and are we ahead or behind? And so Autodesk Consulting was able to give us that industry exposure of what's going on and helping us close those gaps. One of the requirements that we had of Autodesk was to make this a technology agnostic process, and Autodesk Consulting was able to bring that to the table, and in fact during the process we didn't even talk once about technology. It was really more around the strategy and vision and the process and workflows, with technology being a very agnostic component of this. One of the strengths that we had during this engagement was the continuity of having a customer success manager that's been with HDR for quite some time and providing that continuity through the process, and that really helped expedite, if you will, the engagement itself. And instead of starting from square one, we actually had some quicker ramp-up time. So I think one of the more compelling things that came out of this was just the unifying of all of our leadership. Because as it turns out, everybody had a little different view of what BIM meant and where we wanted to take that. When we talk about talking to the next level, it's important that we all operate from the same sheet of music.